Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by putting on gloves and eye protection, safety first. With the chain on the smallest chainring, remove the pedal if it blocks access and loosen the crank bolt, or use the crank puller to remove the crank arm. You should now see the chainring bolts clearly. Make sure the chain is slack by backing off the rear derailleur or using a chain keeper. Once done, clean the spider and bolts quickly so grit won't contaminate the new ring. You next loosen the chainring bolts in a star pattern to prevent distortion, then remove the old ring and inspect the spider for damage. Compare the new ring's tooth count and BCD to confirm compatibility. Orient any directional arrows or shift ramps to match the chain flow. When fitting, start bolts by hand, align ramps with other rings, and torque gradually in the same star sequence to the manufacturer's spec. Make sure chain line stays straight as you reinstall the crank arm, tighten to the specified torque, and reinstall the pedal if removed. Once assembled, rotate the cranks and shift through all gears slowly. Watch for chain rub, missed shifts, or noise. If shifting feels stiff, adjust front derailleur height and limit screws, and if there's chain drop, check chain length and alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent rubbing occurs, loosen bolts, realign the ring, and retorque in sequence. Misaligned bolts are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.